are we talking about today?
Well, do you think anybody's going to be surprised to hear that it's another battery-powered Stihl product?
Probably not.
Not sponsored.
Nope.
Today we've got the Stihl, I always have to look, HSA 56 hedge trimmer.
Yep. Battery operated, AK series battery. You can
Yep.
use an AK10, AK20 battery in it.
Let me take the guard off.
Yep. A nice heavy guard, it's made to last.
Looks like a standard hedge trimmer.
It has an 18-inch blade on it.
Yep.
And the tooth spacing is a little over an inch, 1.1 inches of this tooth spacing. It has an end guard. Right here, so if you're going across like a brick wall or something, the blades won't be smashed into the brick wall, so it has this nice steel guard on the end, so you can go up close up to a wall or anything. You can see it has the rounded teeth with a little notch that actually is made that way to actually pull in the hedges, the little branches, so this makes it cut a lot easier. These have a run time of about, I'd say, an AK1 battery, probably a half an hour, an AK20 battery, probably 45 minutes. They last a long time. We've trimmed plenty of hedges with these. Lightweight,
Yep.
Good balance. Comes with 3-position start.
Yep.
Yep.
Like with all the Stihl ones, you got to push with the thumb, down with the palm, and then pull the trigger.
And there's one extra thing this time now. Has a second place for your hand, so you no way you're going to be cutting your hand with this.
Right.
Because the handle itself, where you hold it, with your left or right hand, up front, the front handle, is a safety switch on there. So there's no way without using two hands this thing's going to start or run.
Right.
So it's always two-handed.
Right. Let me pop the battery in, and we'll actually start it, and you can
Okay.
see.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So nothing's happening.
All right, there you go. Nice and quiet, stops very fast, cuts well. I was really impressed how well it cut.
It does.
Yeah, and it lasts a long time. If you ever use this, be sure to get the Stihl spray to work with the hedge trimmer. This actually has a solvent for cleaning the trimmer blades and removing the resin from all the bushes that you have, and it also lubricates. So it cleans and lubricates and makes the trimmer last a long time, and the blade stays sharp along with this Stihl stuff. I think this is $10.
Yeah, just hedge trimmer, blade cleaner, resin remover.
Yep.
It's titled like everything you buy on Amazon.
Yep. Don't use WD-40. Use this Stihl cleaner resin, because WD-40 and branches, it's going to be a gooey mess, because that resin gets everywhere, especially from tree leaves and tree sap. So this will clean all that up and keep your hedge trimmer in top shape. These do go for around $200. It's not much more expensive than a gas mower. It's probably about the same price, a gas trimmer. But like I said, very handy. You can store it inside. You don't have to worry about mixing 2-cycle gas and oil.
Yep.
Charge a battery and you're ready to go.
Battery and go.
Spray up the hedge trimmer blades and start cutting. It's very fast, very lightweight, good balance.
Yes.
Anything else you can think about it?
I just really like all of these battery products because I can do them on my own. It sounds stupid. I'm sure I could learn how to easily do a gas trimmer or hedge trimmer myself. With these, I can just go.
We have had a electric hedge trimmer, and you have
Yep.
to drag an extension cord around, and there's always
Yep.
the risk of cutting the extension cord and the
Yep.
gas. It's a lot heavier. It's a
Yep.
lot louder. You have to mix the gas and oil. Start it up. Now those are always, will it start this year? Will it not start this year after it sits for the winter?
Right.
These are always good to go.
Yep.
Blade cover, heavy duty. That'll last longer than a hedge trimmer itself, probably.
Right.
Yeah, it's nice. You don't have to worry about it.
Yeah.
Ready to go. All right, Stihl HSA 56 battery operated hedge trimmer with the AK series batteries.
We recommend it.
Yep. 2 thumbs up.
All right. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
And we'll see you on the trails.